how to enable the main settings for one-handed mode and how to use it. And this is for the Huawei Nova 9 SE phone, EMUI 12. From the home screen, you can use the quick panel access, go to settings, and while there, you can simply use the search bar and type in the words one-handed mode. You'll see it there. If you feel lazy and you just simply don't feel like typing for whatever odd reason it is, you can also use the navigation section here and just go down to where it says accessibility features, and you'll see one-handed mode right there. So once you enter into that there, you'll turn it on, and once it's on, what you can do is simply just hold down in the navigation bar area section here and swipe over with a pause if you have the navigation buttons here like that here, and you'll just hold it down as a pause and you'll notice how it enters into the one-handed mode. And if you do the opposite way around, it's going to switch over to the left side. And of course, if you tap in a blank area, that'll allow you to re-enter into a full screen mode. Now if you do have the gestures, the navigation gestures enable and not the buttons here, it's basically the same thing. You'll just hold to the bottom of the screen with a little swipe and hold, just like how with the navigation buttons, and you'll be able to get the one-handed mode for as long as this is turned on. And that's that. Like, sub. Thanks for watching.